Hi there. Welcome to this quick walkthrough of AI native Smart Hill for automation tests on real devices by LambdaTest. Locator failures are common changes in automation testing. Even small UI changes like renaming a button or shifting an element can break scripts, causing flaky builds and slow releases. That's why LambdaTest created AI Smart Hill. So originally, auto healing helped by automatically detecting and fixing broken locators during test runs. It kept your tests running smoothly even if some elements changed. But there was a limitation. It could only heal when a match was obvious. In some cases, the test would still fail, leaving the teams to figure out the next steps manually. Now, with AI integrated, Smart Heal doesn't just attempt to heal automatically. When it can't fix a locator confidently, AI provides intelligent suggestions on what to do next. It analyzes attributes, DOM hierarchy, visual cues. It shows what likely change and suggests how to update your locators. Over time, it learns from successful runs, making future healing smarter and faster. Using AI Smart Heal is simple. You just have to log into your LambdaTest dashboard, or if you're new, you can sign up, upload your app to LambdaTest, enable Smart Heal for your test run through capability generator provided by LambdaTest itself, run your app automation as usual. Now, during execution, Smart Heal monitors locator failures, applies healing when possible, and logs everything for review. Now, let's take a closer look at the LambdaTest dashboard. Here's a test run where Smart Heal was able to fix broken locators. The banded icon, which signifies that Smart Heal automatically applied the fix. On the side, there is a visual view also. The red elements show what was originally broken, and the green elements indicate what got healed. In some cases, Smart Heal can't automatically heal the element. You can see the red box here. It shows that it wasn't able to heal that element. In these scenarios, the dashboard provides AI suggestions. For example, here it tells that the original toast button was replaced by sign in button and highlight the changes in functionality and attributes. These insights shows exactly what changed and guide you on how to fix it, saving the time on debugging. So that's AI native Smart Heal for you. It keeps your tests resilient, reduces maintenance, speed up releases, and guides you with AI suggestion when healing isn't enough. For detailed documentation, the link is provided below. Thanks for watching and happy testing on real devices.